Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to sell or convert your X Empire tokens to USDT on your ByBit account. So without wasting my time, let me go to my ByBit account to show you guys how you can perform this trade, okay, so that you can get your tokens in USDT, because a lot of people are selling their X tokens and the price is dropping. Okay, so first you need to open your ByBit account. Okay, you need to open, this is my ByBit account right now, and my X tokens is in my trading wallet. Okay, you can see the price of X is now 0.000113 and it's going. Okay, so this is the price for X right now, the X Empire tokens right now. Okay, so to convert or to sell your X Empire tokens, let me check first. You can see my token is in unified trading. Okay, my token is in unified trading, the X tokens. Okay, this is my X tokens right now, it's in the unified trading. Okay, so before you can sell or convert it to USDT, okay, you need to first get your money in the unified trading. Okay, so if your X Empire tokens is in funding, you need to click on this transfer. Okay, you click on this transfer, then you transfer, you select the coin, you select maybe X Empire, then you transfer the X Empire from your funding account to the unified trading. Okay, because you need to use the unified trading to sell it to USDT or to convert. Okay, so what you have to do now is to click this home button. Okay, then you click on the X price. You can see the X over here. You just click on this X and you should make sure it's pairing USDT because you want to get your money in USDT. Okay, so you click on this X. Okay, so when you click on this X, you see this chart over here. You click on the sell. Okay, you just click on this sell. Okay, then you make sure your order is in market. Okay, by default you will get it in limits, yeah, but you should change it to market. Okay, you should change it to market. Then you swap this to 100%. Okay, 100% means you want to sell or convert all your X Empire tokens to USDT. And as you can see, when you sell the X Empire, I have 132,000 X Empire tokens currently at the time of making this video. So when I sell this 132,000 X Empire tokens, I'll get 16.33 USDT. Okay, in return I'll get this. Okay, so without wasting my time, you need to swap this to the right to 100%. Okay, 100% means you want to sell everything. Okay, so let's sell it to 100%. Let's swap it to 100%. Make sure your order is in market. It's on the market. Okay, so when you are done, then you click on sell. Okay, when you are done, then you click on sell and it will automatically sell or convert your X tokens, these tokens, to USDT. So let me click on the sell. Okay, so I have sold it right now. You can see I have placed an order for sold. Okay, so let me go to the asset. Let me go to my wallet to see if I still have the X tokens or it's now in USDT. Okay, so let me click on the unified trading, and as you can see, the money has been sold from the X Empire account, the X Empire tokens, to USDT right now. Okay, you can see the money is in USDT right now. Okay, so this is how you can sell or convert your X Empire tokens to USDT on your ByBit account, and you can use this method to sell on OKX or bitget or any platform. Okay, and if this video helped you to sell your X Empire tokens to USDT, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.